this is Washing Maytag here. Today I'm going to be doing a load of colors in the GE Profile Tumble Dryer. Yeah, if you can take a look inside the drum, it has durable steel lining, it has a lint filter, and it's a real good dryer. All we have to do is wait for the washer to be done, and we'll get started loading the tumble dryer. Wait for the clothes to be done. Once it beeps, we're going to put the clothes in the tumble dryer, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, let's start by loading the tumble dryer. We'll put the clothes in. Let's shake this off again on the dirty floor. Get everything into the tumble dryer. Everything has to go to tumble dry. Everything is going into the tumble dryer. Get the remaining of the clothes out of the washer and get them into my GE Profile Tumble Dryer. And I'm going to check the washer real quick. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and it's locked. All we gotta do is hit the minutes. Today we're gonna use 70 minutes, high heat, signal, extend tumble. We're not gonna add any time. Now we hit start.